Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mo, aka Paidtrader. Happy Friday. I am back after a long couple of weeks. Had the pleasure of traveling to New York, London, and Paris. It was fantastic. I got to see many of the amazing sites, but most of all, got to meet some amazing people and meet with many of my clients from far reaches of the world. So it was very productive and just an amazing time. Now that being said, first day back. Let's get to it. Let's boom and dive into these charts and see how we're gonna make these pips. Just bank them and roll them. Paidtrader, over and out. To the charts. All right, ladies and gents, let me slide this out of the way. So we have, first up, we have our euro yen. That's what we're looking at right now at the moment. Those are my alarms going off. Turn that down for you. So we're looking at a slight range right here with the euro yen. We're going to wait for a quick pop in either direction, which we will likely fade in the next couple of hours, depending on what is going on with the rest of the pairs. So our first major LOI, let me grab my tool here. We're looking at 133.09, so we'll be looking for a nice little pop into this area if it breaks north at the first major part of the range. So as well as on the south side, we'll be looking at 132.30. All right. And then we have some pretty, tight, I would consider these fairly tight LOIs. And, maybe because it's Friday and because yesterday was such a, big day, we may not see, another big move like that. But hey, you never know. We'll see what the market gives us. Now let's venture on over to my other favorite pair here. Well, I actually have a few, but I like the pound dollar. Excuse me. All right, same deal here. So we just needed to, it's already broken its initial opening range. So we are just looking for a nice drop down into these LOIs at 130.83. And drum roll, please. Let's move these guys out. 130.13. So just look out for these levels here at the moment. If these guys don't reach here in the next couple of hours, then we may just call, looking for that trade a no-go. So, and besides, it's Friday, guys, so we don't want to take a trade too late. Okay. Now, looking over at the pound yen. There we are. Same deal. We're in a range. We've been in a range since, after yesterday's big move, down. So ideally what we would want to see is a move into these levels here for long trades. Okay. And we have quite a bit of other, support metrics that we look at, such as the daily low, weekly low, monthly low. Let's see if it's going to run into any of those guys. So, but in the meantime, these guys are trading in range. We just had to open a few minutes ago, and there's really nothing going on. So if nothing pops in the next, couple hours, just call it a day. There's no reason to, stick around. And, in terms of news, we do have some U.S. news coming out. We do have GDP coming out here. It would be 5:30 my time, Pacific, U.S. So just look out for that. All right. And that being said, that's my pre-mapping session right there. Okay. and then I'm gonna call it good. And that's it. Paidtrader over and out. Boom.